Hi everybody, welcome to the lab here at Tekbird Soaps. My name's Jazzy. I'm the soap maker owner of Tekbird Soaps, and I'm going to bring you along with me today while we make the first soap of the new year. If you saw my last video, you might notice a few things have changed. I got a better lighting situation and a better camera situation, but because I made these soaps before I had my new setup, those videos are going to look a little bit different. So the next 3 soap making videos you see, the actual soap making portion was filmed with poor lighting and bad cameras and worse sound, but we're going to show them anyway because soap making is a super fun process. So the first soap of the new year, I'm calling it January. My last video, I was calling it Lime Cilantro. It was the confetti soap that I made. I have a lot of soap shreds. I have this box and it's full of soap shreds, and these are just parts of the soap that I shave off and clean off as part of the soap making process. So I have this box just full, and I need a plan to manage using all of those soap shreds because it's such a waste if I do nothing with it. They just pile and pile and pile. So there's a ton of things that can be done with them. I could put them in a crock pot and heat them up, soften them up a bit. It's called rebatching soap. I'm not good at rebatching soap. So confetti soap seems to be good for me. It's just a super easy way to incorporate all of the remains of my previous soaps into new batches. I've decided every month I'm going to have a soap named after the month. And that will be just sort of like a festive, celebratory soap, and it's going to use the confetti bits that I have left over from previous batches. This month we're making January. It smells like lime and cilantro. I learned a few lessons about making the confetti soaps, so let's just get started and take a look at the soap making process. was January soap. I had a few challenges making this batch. The first, I thought I could just go completely uncolored, but when I made the top, I thought it looked, I don't know, like oatmeal or something with like the lumps of the other soaps on the inside. I didn't love it, so at the very last minute I decided to sprinkle some green on it. Here are the finished bars. As you can see, we've got little bits of color coming through. Another thing I think I'm going to do differently is, especially when I use soap shreds that are lighter or whiter in color, in order to really make them pop out, I'm going to actually use some mica to color the soap, the main base of the soap, so we can get a better contrast when we're looking at these. The top of it is a vibrant green. I love the way it came out. It goes so well with the soap. It smells fresh and zesty and just sort of energetic and vibrant. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give a like and subscribe. I'm a brand new channel and this can really help me out. If you have any questions about anything you saw in today's video, just go ahead and drop it in the comments. Thanks so much.